welcome to my birthday party!
I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Talking to myself.
Si Pauline, ano siya, si Pauline medyo, ano siya, may kabaitan talaga. Pero makikita mo sa kanya yung pagiging, caring pa din. Tapos, iniisip niya palagi yung, lalo na yung kapatid niya, ganun. So, caring talaga siya.
The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Happy birthday, Pauline! I'm gonna own it, I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. When the morning comes.
Napakamadasal nun eh. Nasa akin yun eh.
Hindi ko ma-explain din kasi groggy ako. Hindi, pero nakakaiyak nung una ko narinig na umiyak siya nung pinanganak. Yun yung tandang-tanda ko palagi na.
I wish you grow a lot of memories of me. I wish you be a good friend.
The most beautiful little princess who turned 7 whole years old today. May your special day be filled with all sweet things, sparkly and super.
This is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it, I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Siyempre masaya kasi first baby namin yun eh. Yun. Tapos kamukha ko pa.
I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Oh, I know I'm gonna shine.
Happy birthday, Ate Pauline! Wish namin sa'yo, be a good girl. Makikinig kay Mami, kay Mama, at kay Daddy, na?
Happy birthday, Pauline. Happy birthday sa first baby namin sa family. Ang first baby girl. O, laging papakabait ha. Laging makikinig kay Mami at Daddy, tsaka kay Lolo at kay Lola, okay?
Shine, 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 shine. Tell ya I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Dancing underneath the endless sky, all the colors they collide in a tapestry of moving light. Wonder,
Ang prayer ko lang naman lagi para kay Pauline ay yung good health dahil syempre ayoko na yung kahit ba simpleng sakit, simpleng ubo, simpleng sipon, parang nakakaano na sa magulang yun. So, yun, wag siya magkakasakit, tapos mag-aaral lang mabuti.
it's a beautiful life. All the little things, all the golden dreams, I just wanna be in a beautiful life.
Lagi lang siyang protektahan ni Lord kasi yan, lumalaki na siya. Yun sa mga nagiging sariling desisyon niya sa buhay.
Lagi siyang magpakabait, mag-aral na mabuti. Nandito lang kami lagi ni Mami, Daddy. Ayun, mahal na mahal namin.
Every sunset, every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment to remember. It's a beautiful life. Every sunset,
Happy birthday, Pauline. We love you.
every new breath, every goodbye, all the